Every year, we take a day to remember how our country started. But the people who built this country weren't looking back. They were building something new, better, stronger, something that hadn't been done before. That spirit didn't end 250 years ago. It lives on in the ones who still choose to push things forward, not just in how we celebrate, but in how we build, in how we drive, in where we go next. This isn't a restoration. This is a revolution.